Want to unlock extra cash and boost your income? It's easier than you think. Today, we're sharing exciting side hustles you can start right now and bring in some extra money. Greetings, finance freedom fighters. Today, we're diving into side hustles that can help you earn extra cash without a massive time commitment. Ready to transform your free time into money-making opportunities? Let's get started. Tip number 1, freelance work. Freelance work is a fantastic way to leverage your skills and earn extra income. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients looking for your expertise. Whether you're a writer, designers, programmers, or marketer, there's plenty of demand for freelance services. If you're good at graphic design, offer your services to local businesses to design their logos, brochures, or social media graphics. Create a portfolio to showcase your best work. And if writing is your strength, consider freelance blogging or content creation. Reach out to blogs and websites in your niche and offer to write articles for them. Hey, if freelancing sounds like a great side hustle, give this video a big thumb up. Tip number 2, tutoring and teaching. Tutoring and teaching can be rewarding ways to share your knowledge while making extra cash. You can offer your services locally or online through platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or YouTube. Teach subjects you're passionate about or skilled in, whether it's academic subjects, music, or even a new language. You see, you can offer tutoring for school subjects like maths, science, or English. Parents are always looking for help to boost their children's academic performance. And if you play an instrument, offer music lessons. Teach beginners how to play guitar, piano, or any instruments you are proficient in. If you are finding these tips helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more ways to boost your income and achieve financial freedom. Tip number 3, selling handmade items. If you're crafty, consider selling handmade items on platforms like Etsy or at local craft fairs. Handmade jewelry, art, and home decor are always in demand. Creating and selling items you love making can be both fun and profitable. You see, you can also make and sell handmade candles, soaps, or bath bombs. These can be great for gifts and are popular items at local markets and online. Alternatively, create personalized artwork or prints, often custom illustration or painting tailored to customers' preferences. If you find these tips helpful, make sure to press the like button. Tip number 4, pet sitting and dog walking. Love animals? Pet sitting and dog walking are wonderful side hustles that let you earn while spending time with your furry friend. Platforms like Rover and Wag make it easy to find clients. Offer to walk dogs in your neighborhood or pet sit for people when they go on vacations. For example, you can offer dog walking services to busy professionals in your area. Set a schedule and rate and build a loyal client base. Or provide pet sitting services, including feeding, playing, and caring for pets when owners are away. Promote your services in local Facebook groups or flyers. Tip number 5, ride sharing and delivery services. Turn your car into a money-making machine by joining ride sharing and delivery services like Uber, Lyft, Grab, and Snap. Earn cash on your schedule by driving people or delivering food and services. It's a flexible side hustle that lets you work whenever you have spare time. You see, you can sign up for Ubers or Lyft and drive during peak hours to maximize your earnings. This can be especially lucrative during weekends and events. Or you can deliver food with DoorDash or groceries with Instacart. Choose these delivery times that fit your schedule and earn tips in addition to base pay. If turning your car into a money-making sounds exciting, smash that like button. Tip number 6, renting out your space. If you have extra space, consider renting it out. Platforms like Airbnb let you rent out a room, your entire home, or even just a couch to travelers and guests. It's a great way to earn passive income, especially if you live in a popular area for tours or events. You can rent out a spare bedroom in your home on Airbnb. Make it cozy and welcoming to attract guests and earn excellent reviews. Or if you have a garage or parking space you're not using, rent it out to people who need storage or parking, especially if you are in a busy city. Tip number 7, online marketplaces. Sell items you no longer need on online marketplaces like eBay, Poshmark, or Facebook Marketplace. It's a great way to declutter and make money at the same time. Find good condition used clothes, electronics, or furniture in your home and list them online. You can sell vintage or trendy fashion pieces on Poshmark or Depop. Take quality photos and write detailed description to attract buyers. Or you can list electronic, gadgets, and furniture on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Clear out space and put cash in your pocket at the same time. Excited for more money-making ideas? Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll dive into smart investment tips that can grow your wealth now. For the exciting part, my money heroes, this week, pick at least one of these side hustles and take the first step to get started, whether it is signing up for a freelancing platform, offering tutoring services, or listing an item to sell. Start now and see the extra cash come in. You'll quickly see how easy it is to boost your income. And don't forget, if you find these tips valuable, press that like button and share your experiences in the comment section below. Oh, if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on more tips and tricks to improve your financial health. Here is a motivating message. Many people have successfully increased their income and improved their financial situation by starting a side hustle. These small, consistent actions can lead to significant financial gains. Believe in your ability to turn your skill and spare time into extra cash. Before we go, here's a snippet of laughter to keep you smiling. Why did the scarecrow become a successful side hustler? Because he was always outstanding in his field. Remember, starting a side hustle can lead to more financial freedom and opportunities. Stick to these simple strategies and watch your income grow. Until next time, keep hustling smart and stay motivated. See you in the next video.